participate in this course, you'll need a computer with a 64-bit processor and motherboard that has virtualization support enabled. You'll have to research your computer's model on how to enable virtualization, as each manufacturer is different. You'll need 6 gigabytes of RAM or more, 100 gigabytes free disk space, broadband internet. Broadband is currently defined as 25 megabits per second or more. You could get away with slower, but to enjoy the class it'd be good to have at least 25 or more. Virtualization software such as VirtualBox, Fusion, Hyper-V, or others. This video will cover installing Hyper-V on a Windows 10 machine. Your operating system must also be 64-bit. Windows 10 comes in many different versions. The most common version is Windows Home for home computers. For Hyper-V to become available, you'll need to upgrade to at least Windows 10 Pro. If you have Windows Home, you may request a product key to upgrade your Windows Home to Windows Pro. Use your student email account and send an email to mwgoodman@asub.edu requesting a Windows 10 Pro key. You can view your Windows version by clicking on Start. Click the cogwheel. Click System. Scroll down to About. Scroll down to look for your Windows edition. I'm using Windows 10 Enterprise. If yours says Windows 10 Home, you'll need the upgrade product key. Here's a link, change product key or upgrade your edition of Windows if you need to do that. We'll now enable Hyper-V on a Windows 10 machine. We'll open up an administrative PowerShell window. Right-click the Start menu. You should have Windows PowerShell with Admin out beside it. Windows PowerShell will open. I'll use Google to search for Install Hyper-V for Windows 10. I'll go to the Microsoft dock. I'll also include the PowerShell command in the description of this video. I'm going to copy this command. I'll right-click in the PowerShell window. It'll automatically paste the installation command. Hit Enter. Wait for the installation to complete. At this point in time, it'll ask you to restart the computer. You can either hit yes or no at this time, a Y or an N, but before it's completely set up, you'll have to do a full restart. And that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a virtual machine and install CentOS. But for now, I have to restart my machine and stop this video.